In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily disable or enable the Windows Media Player in here in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first things first, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Control Space Panel. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please click on the Open to continue. So we just have to wait until a new window would appear in a few moments. And once it's here, you need to change the view into large icons. So how we can do so, go with the view by and go with large icons. And your window would look like this, where you can see all of the computer settings. So from here, please locate for programs and features, which is in my case that I can see it here being placed at the first row next to mail. Click on it and eventually this would show up. All you need to do is you need to locate for the left pane where you can see three options. Please proceed with it has this gear the shield icon, which is turn windows features on or off. Eventually you would be able to bring up this kind of window where here you need to locate for media features. Click this and icon and turn that off, and it will ask you to confirm. Click on yes. Eventually just wait, the process would be finished. It might take some time, but wait until it would be done. Once it's done, okay, there you can disable the Windows Media Player. So let's say, for example, on the contrary, if you would like to enable that, all you need to do is you need to navigate the same step, and that is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for Control Space Panel. Once you're done typing, a best match would appear. All you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. So from here, please navigate to Programs and Features again and look for Turn Windows Features on or off. And just have to click on Media Features, click on this add icon, and make sure that this is checked, meaning enabled. So check it and wait until it will be done. Click on OK and you're good to go. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.